Hey everyone! So, have you ever wondered how your favorite apps and games are actually made? Or maybe how programming can help you crack Olympiads or ace those big exams like IIT or NEET? Well, I've got something awesome for you. My Programming with C++ Foundation course, designed especially for students like you in grades 9 through 12. Let me break it down. This course is your ticket to learning the building blocks of programming. We'll kick off with the basics. What programming really is, how algorithms work, and how to map out your solutions using flowcharts. No experience needed. Next, I'll walk you through decision structures. Making your code smart enough to choose what to do next. Then, we'll master repetition with loops, and I'll show you how functions make your programs cleaner and easier to manage. Once you're comfortable, we'll dive into arrays and strings. These are like the super organizers of the programming world. After that, you'll get hands-on with user-defined structures or structs, which help you create custom data blueprints. And here's where it gets really exciting: object-oriented programming. This is the secret sauce behind the software that runs everything from your phone to self-driving cars. Each lesson wraps up with review questions, exercises, and real examples. So you're not just memorizing. You're actually building stuff and understanding the why behind the code. By the end, you'll know how to write efficient, logical programs, and you'll be ready for any programming challenge at school, in Olympiads, or even beyond. So, are you ready to take that first step into the world of coding? Join me in Programming with C++ Foundation, and let's create something amazing together.